All right, guys, here with Quaid, who is the supervisor here in the assembly department and knows obviously a lot more about this department than I do, so I'll let him do the speaking. So like start to finish in the assembly department, what are we working with here?
First of all, this is final assembly. The first process starts over there where they press the rotor pack into the bearing plate. Second part, it goes to this timing station. They set backlash, set clearances, and then from there everything goes on the shelf. And then when we get the orders, we come and look at the paperwork, read what we need, and pretty much come grab the rotor packs that are pre-timed, pre-ready, and then come to this area. There's inlets that are pre-ready, pre-timed. Same thing with the lids, ready to ride. Everything's like a grocery store.
Yeah.
Come grab it and it's done.
And start assembling?
Start assembling
on this bench.
Start assembling on this bench, yeah.
And this specific blower, what do we have here?
This is an LSX. This is going on a hot rod kit, so probably a swap, a swap car going on.
What size blower is this?
This is a 3.8 liter top mount. This is one of the newer ones. This is a 3.8 top mount DI kit.
Yeah, so this thing could probably make 1,400 horsepower.
Easily, yeah. Easily, yeah.
And what can we talk real quick about the polishing, right? So I'm a big fan of the polishing. Our buddy Chuck here at Whipple feels differently about it, but I want to talk about it anyways, because not every time do we see, most of the time we just see the lid that's polished, and I noticed this entire thing is polished. Yep, so this all in-house?
Yeah, all in-house. We have an in-house polishing area, so some customers can go do a stage 1, stage 2, or stage 3.
Okay, what's the stage 1 kit?
The stage 1 kit is basic, it's just the top version. Stage 2 will include the discharge plate and then the mounting discharge plate, and then stage 3 is the manifold and the front bypass area and everything together.
So where are you at in the assembly stage right now?
This pretty much assembly part is about done. All I'm going to do here is check. We just put this little device on here
and spin it?
Yeah, and spin it and make sure everything's...
You want to get that? That's it? Just make sure she spins free, sounds good, and then, okay, so next process from here, off of your bench.
We'll go over here to QC, quality control. There's another guy that pretty much double checks everything.
That's basically like a triple check at that point.
Triple check. So he'll pretty much do the same thing. He'll put the gun on here. He'll make sure the sight glass is tight. Make sure nothing is sticking in the bypass.
So it's not too much further before this will actually be boxed up.
Exactly, yep. So after that, it goes right to down this aisle and right to the shipping department, and the shippers will box it, and then they put it to the side and they wait for the kit parts to come.
That is so sick.
And then they box that and they can...
All right, dude, thank you so much, Quaid. This is awesome.